I guess they say it was the biggest day in financial history.
An abrupt U-turn. Just 13 hours after higher reciprocal tariffs from President Trump went into effect, the president hitting pause on the plan for 90 days. The markets immediately responding, stocks surging, a historic rally on Wall Street. The S&P 500 soared more than 9% by the end of the trading day to one of its biggest gains since World War II. The Nasdaq jumped 12%. One exception when it comes to this reversal, this 90-day pause, and that is China. The president putting a 125% tariff on China, up from 104%. The tit for tat between Washington and Beijing is on, a trade war heating up. The president's move came after massive pressure from business leaders and investors and followed 4 days of global financial market upheaval, recession fears setting in. The president saying the reason for this course change, he's heard from 75 countries all willing to negotiate directly with the White House and talk trade barriers. Those on his economic team brushing off the argument that the turmoil in the stock and bond market really pushed the president to back down. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, when asked why the Trump administration is pausing the global tariffs on some countries, said the rollout was about the president getting, quote, negotiating leverage. Bessent suggesting it was Trump's strategy all along and claimed victory. One aspect of the announcement raising questions, Trump indicating he might consider exempting some U.S. companies from the tariffs over the 90-day period, without many specifics. Meanwhile, the White House trade representative was testifying on Capitol Hill as the news broke, but gave no indication he knew the announcement was coming. Jamieson Greer telling House lawmakers he was only aware that a pause was under discussion, raising questions about how this trade agenda and decisions are being made here at the White House and which aides have the president's ear.